How to check TikTok bio link. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Click on search button at the top right corner of your screen. And for my example, I'll simply search link in bio. And the videos are gonna pop up. Simply to go to their video, click on their video, and then to go to their bio, click on their profile picture or swipe to the left. After you swipe to the left or click on their profile, you'll find link in the bio. As you can see with the emoji, simply click on it, click on open, and then whatever is in that link is gonna open in this way. Sometimes you can also go to their Instagram link and find more links. And this is how to check TikTok bio link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.